Hey loves, it is your girl CheKesha Simms of Life with CheKesha, and I am here today to one, say Happy New Year, and two, to go ahead and get set up for my first full week of January in my half letter planner. So if you want to see what I'm going to be setting up for the first full week of January, you got to keep watching. You guys, so again, I just want to welcome you back to my channel. If this is your first time watching or just your first time even hearing of me, do me a favor, drop me a purple heart in the comments box. That way that I know you are new and I can conversate with you, welcome you, fellowship with you in my comments, because I love when I get some new viewers and new subscribers. And speaking of subscribers, if you are not already subscribed, do me a huge favor, go ahead and click that subscribe button and that notification bell, because you will be notified every time I upload new content. So click. All right, so this week I am doing my very first Plan With Me in Wendy. If you watch my planner lineup video, I announced all the names to my planners and I gave them names from the Real Housewives of Potomac. I am in Virginia, so I figured, hey, and I kind of jumped back on the Real Housewives bandwagon, but that's neither here nor there. So I decided to name this planner Wendy, because you know Wendy got all the degrees, and since this planner has everything that relates to my life, I figured I would name her Wendy. So in this video, we are going to be doing a Plan With Me in my weekly section, and I can't wait to show you some of the changes and customizations that I made to my weekly inserts, as well as the exclusive kit that I will be using. All right, you guys, so this is my weekly section, and I have, I think, 3 months worth of inserts in here. So I am using the same week on 2-page layout, but I have made some customizations. So let's kind of talk about that first before we get into the actual Plan With Me. So on this page, this is actually just my dashboard. I've put some sticky notes that came from cloth and paper, and I highly recommend that you put sticky notes in each of your functional or workable sections. What do I mean? If you have sections that you're constantly using and you have to constantly update, place some sticky notes in that section. That way, if it's something that you need to jot down, but you don't want to put pen to paper right then and there, you have those sticky notes there versus having to always go to your inbox. It's nice to have an inbox, but sometimes you're in your weekly section or you're in your finance section and you just don't want to flip back and forth. So having some sticky notes are definitely beneficial. You can get them from anywhere. You can even buy them from Target. Y'all know we love Target. Any of those stores, you can always find sticky notes, or you can support these local small businesses that are just getting bigger and bigger and bigger. So the next part is my weekly section, and I do apologize if the camera is shaking a lot. My tripod is broken, so I am using something that I haven't used in this capacity. But anyway, so I am using the same Bohemian template inserts, but I wanted to customize them. Now I will tell you, sometimes when you purchase printable inserts, they are editable. Is that a word? Editable? You're able to edit them. Some of them are protected and you can't, but some of them you can. So if you have like your paid version of Adobe, you can make edits to some of your inserts. So with that being said, on all of my week on 2 pages that I have for each month, I put a cover, and I made this off of Canva, of course, and I just ran it through. I may at one point do a tutorial on that, I don't know, but I just want to let you know that you can customize the covers of all of your sections if you are creative like that. All right, so here are my weekly inserts. Now, these are the exact same inserts that I have been using, but I figured, why make so much work for myself if I can edit my inserts? So I went ahead and took the months off, as well as the color, and I may insert a video up here just so you can see what the layout looked like before this. And as well, I took off the what do you call that, just the name of the company. I'm not trying to sell these. I'm not going to sell them because that is not my ministry. So I just want to let y'all know that this is the same ones that I use. I just made it real simple for me so I won't have to keep whiting out and worrying about, you know, having to put my date covers, sorry, that's my dryer, put my date covers on top of white out. So I'm going to go ahead and pull these out, and then I'm going to show you the kit I'll be using. All right, so you heard me say that I'm using an exclusive kit, and it's because it only came out with as a limited edition. So if you ask me where to get it, you can't get it, but she still has some super amazing kits that she offers in her shop. So this month I thought, why not use my planner friend, my sister's kit that she sent to me, the Gucci kit. Yes, look at this, y'all. This is like, look at the foiling. It's so amazing. So NORA'S COVE is the shop. She is on Shopify under NORA'S COVE, and I'll try to remember to leave a link in the comments box. But this was an exclusive kit. She no longer has it anymore, but I want to just kind of show you. You get 8 full boxes, and then you get your days of the week. And I love the fact that she have a next week and this week, because I like it when they match the date covers. Next, you have some functional boxes. You have half box, quarter box. You have a full box, and this is like your checklist box. And you have these nice little appointment boxes. Then you have a full sheet of quarter boxes in both colors, and it has the Gucci emblem. Then you have these nice little octagons, circles, flags, bows, corner stickers. I actually absolutely love her kits. Then you have another sheet right here, which is similar to this sheet right there, but you have more deco in your quarter boxes and more deco in your half boxes. Then you have your deco sheet, and then you have your headers. Look at these. I cannot wait to use these. Like, I probably won't even really write on this spread because it's gonna be so beautiful. So again, I'm shaking the camera. I guess, you know, I'm either shaking the camera or shaking the table, but anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and start playing, and I'm actually going to fast speed it. What is it? Do the lap speed because I really want to go ahead and get this so you can see it. I'm gonna probably talk through some of it, but for the most part it'll probably be more music, but I hope you enjoy the first full week of January's plan with me for the week of January the 4th through the 10th. All right, love, so I wanted to pop in just to go over these foiled rose gold headers. They came from Planning City, and I highly recommend, if you are interested in using foiled stickers, check her shop out. She has some amazing foiled items as well as other items, and they are very affordable. So the scripts that you see me using are from my sticker shop on Etsy, Scripts by LNC, and I'm using these super cute doll stickers from my girl Crochet Designs. She's also on Etsy as well. Make sure you check those shops out. All right, love, so here is my weekly layout on my week on 2 pages using this Gucci kit from NORA'S COVE. Like I stated early in the video, this was an exclusive kit. She's not selling anymore, but she does have some amazing kits. And I do know that she does have some like designer kits that she may be releasing as oops. So make sure you go follow her page. All of the script stickers come from my shop, Scripts by LNC. And the doll stickers came from my girl, CheKesha Designs. She's on Etsy along with me as well. So I hope you enjoyed the very first Plan With Me of 2021. I was like, I gotta go in style. We Gucci, baby. We Gucci. You heard me? Y'all know I'm silly. But anyway, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give me a big old thumbs up and drop me a comment below if you have any questions. And again, if you have any concerns or anything like that, or need some help, I'm always willing to kind of push you in the right direction if I can't help you, because I always try to make sure I have the information if possible. I know a lot of you have been asking about a lot of the things that I have used in videos from like a year or two ago, and I will be honest, if I didn't put it in the comments, I probably don't remember. And if you don't tell me specifically what it is, I probably won't know, because as you can see, I have lots of videos, and I've been doing this for a couple of years now. So if you're not specific about your question or about an item, it's going to be hard for me to answer the question. So if you have any questions about anything specifically that I use in the video, either give me a timestamp or describe it to the best of your ability, because the more content I put out, the more I'll remember. And that's kind of, it's good and bad, I guess. I don't know. But anyway, I'm not going to ramble on, and I'm not going to keep you any longer. But if you haven't done so at this point, make sure you do me a big favor and click that subscribe button and that notification bell, because that's going to be your ticket into, or your invite, or whatever you want to call it. That's going to be your notification to when I post new videos. So I hope you enjoyed this one. And if this video has inspired you, do me a favor, share this video with your planner friends, planner newbies, or people that are curious about how to do decorative planning, or just anybody that you think might just enjoy this video. Share this with them as well, because I would love for them to be able to, not only see how to use stickers in a fun, functional way, but also introduce you to shops that you may not have, came across before. So that's about it. So until next time, loves. Peace.